Welcome to 45th as well as last video on this MySQL tutorial series. So it has been a long playlist composed of around 45 videos. We have tried our level best to explain each and every concepts in much simpler way. So we definitely believe that this tutorial series will be more informative to you. So we'll jump into this video. In this video we are going to discuss what is views and how to create a view for a table. So we have a table named personal. We have a table named personal with 5 columns: ID, register, name, date of birth and city. And imagine I will execute this same query, select register comma date of birth from personal, this same query more than 200 times a day. So each and every time, instead of typing this same query, I'm going to create a view for this table. Create view as the select query composed of the selected columns will be pasted here. So when I execute this query, a new view named as SEEDOB will be created. See, you can notice something called SEE underscore DOB, which is the name of the view I have created here, and it carries an icon of I, which means it is a view. You have to note something here. This is the actual table. It occupies 16 KB of data, and it is the view. It does not occupy any memory, which means it indirectly reveals that it does not store any data. Instead of that, it is just mapping 2 columns to this table. So when we click here, it will actually forward us to this table, not to the entire table but to the selected columns here. So after creating this select star from view name, so when we try executing this query, this view will be called, and this view will be directly mapping us to the register number and DOB column of this table. So by using select query, this view can be called, or in other method using IDSQL, you can see the data tab will fetch you the same data. So to explain what is view, use nothing but a virtual table of selected columns. Simple. And it does not store any value. Instead of that, it just maps us or points us to the actual data in a table. So it is a virtual or imaginary table. Simple. Hope this video is informative, and hope this entire tutorial series is informative. In case you have any queries or feedback, you can leave comment below. Subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and keep supporting us in all other further videos. Thanks.